So I know I said I was going to do a live today with the vegan quiche, and I'm not feeling it. So I'm just going to do a video for you guys. So I have my pre-cut veggies here. Kroger and Walmart is good for having the pre-cut veggies if you don't feel like cutting up veggies. I'm tired for work, so that's why I'm not going to cut an onion and a pepper today. I don't feel like doing that. So this is going in the quiche. We got our baby bella mushrooms, and we have our spinach. And then, of course, we have our just egg. And this is just my little juice I'm trying. So, but yeah, so I'm going to get started. And we're going to first take out our pie crust out the refrigerator. So while my oven preheats, I chopped up my veggies minus my mushrooms because I like my mushrooms whole. I might cut them in half depending on how big they are. And I'm just waiting for my oil to heat up so I can go ahead and put these in and get these prepped. I'm just gonna saute them a little bit, put some seasonings on them so it'll be nice and flavorful. Hey. Y'all have to excuse Coco and Bruno. They cutting up right now, so. All right, on to the next part of the video. We're gonna blind bake our pie crust, and I will show you that in just a moment. So it looks like my pie crust is broken. I'm not gonna worry about it because as soon as it warms up, I'm gonna put the pieces back in there. I'm gonna let it sit for just like, I don't know, maybe 25 minutes, and maybe it'll warm up and I could put those pieces back in here. And I did get this from Walmart, and it is vegan. So in here, I put salt, pepper, oregano, turmeric, nutritional yeast, and I ran out of fennel seeds. I usually put fennel seeds like in my scramble. So whatever I put in my scramble, I'm gonna put in this quiche. So I'm gonna blind bake this crust for about 5 or 10 minutes. It's falling apart, God help me. Okay, but I'm not gonna worry about it falling apart too bad. We're just gonna see how it turns out. If it doesn't turn out good, there's always next time. I will make it again. So now we're gonna add in our spinach here. So now my spinach is wilted. I went and add some Follow Your Heart Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna mix that up in there. Take my pie crust out. It's been like 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna take it out and put my filling in there and the just egg. So I put half the filling in there, and then I'm just gonna go in here with the just egg. And I'm gonna put the rest of the filling on the top. I pretty much have used the whole bottle. Okay. And I'm gonna put the rest of the filling on the top and then throw it back in the oven. And then we're gonna let it cook for about 25 to 35 minutes. All right, there it is. It's looking good so far, and it's gonna go right back into the oven. See you guys in about 25, 35 minutes. All right, y'all, it's the vegan quiche, and it's looking good. I'm gonna cut into it. I'm gonna eat.